Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Nothing's more comforting than a bowl of soup in this chilly weather. So today I have a perfect recipe for you guys that's gonna keep you warm during the winters. Today we're gonna make sweet corn soup. So if you want to learn how to make sweet corn soup, keep watching this video. सबसे पहले we need 1.5 cup of sweet corns. Now these sweet corns are not boiled sweet corns, they are raw. And then we're gonna add them into a blender jar. We're not going to add the whole thing into the blender jar. We're going to save some corns for later, and these corns that we've saved up will provide the crunch and the bite to the soup. Once it is done, we're going to grind these corns in the mixer grinder. This is how it should look like after grinding. It should not be super smooth, and we also don't want it to be coarse. It should be somewhere in between so that it is creamy but at the same time provides the necessary bite to our soup. So now that it is done, let's move on to the next step. Take a pan and add the paste that we made earlier into the pan. आप देख सकते हैं that we're not even using a single drop of oil in this soup. Next, we're going to add 3 cups of vegetable stock or water into the pan. Now if you do not have vegetable stock, no problem, you can totally replace it with water. Remember the corns that we saved up earlier? Now is the time to add them into our soup. And then we're gonna give it a nice stir and wait for it to start boiling. While that boils, let's start chopping up our vegetables. Firstly, I'm gonna finely chop some carrots. While that is chopping, I have a fun fact for you guys. हम में से बहुत लोगों ने yellow corns तो ज़रूर देखे हैं, but did you know that corn kernels are of varying colors? They can even be black, blue, purple, green and red. Interesting, right? Next, we're going to chop some green beans. हमारा सूप बॉईल होना शुरू हो गया है. Now is the right time to add the chopped carrots and green beans into it. Give it a nice stir. अब हम स्टोव को लो फ्लेम पर कर देंगे so that the water does not evaporate quickly and हमारा सूप अच्छी तरह से कुक हो जाए. While the soup cooks, हम इसे थिक करने के लिए एक मिक्सचर बना लेते हैं. For that mixture, we will need 1/4 cup of corn flour, and to it we will add water, which is also around 1/4 cup, ताकि ऐसे पतला सा पेस्ट बन जाए. बस अब हमें इसे ऐड करना है इनटू अ सूप एंड फिर हम अपने सूप को 2 मिनट तक पका लेंगे. हम इस मिक्सचर को थोड़ा थोड़ा करके ऐड करेंगे जितनी ज़रूरत हो. ऐसा भी ना हो कि हमारा मिक्सचर बहुत थिक हो जाए, सो यू कैन एडजस्ट द क्वांटिटी अकॉर्डिंगली. धीरे धीरे you'll start noticing कि सूप थिक होने लग जाएगा because of the mixture that we added. Finally हम इसमें ऐड करेंगे salt and some black pepper powder. मैं यहाँ पर 1 teaspoon black pepper powder यूज़ कर रही हूँ. You can adjust the quantity according to your taste. Our soup is ready, so let's put it into a bowl. You can have this soup with any bread that you like, or you can even add boiled noodles into the soup, or you can have it on its own. It tastes amazing that way as well. If you guys enjoyed this video, like, share और subscribe करना मत भूलिएगा. I also have some other videos for you guys to watch right here. इसके बाद आप इन्हें भी देख सकते हैं. Have a wonderful day guys. Thank you for watching.